this is Rachel from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, Fitness, Fun and Fabulousness in Windsor and Maidenhead, Woking and Berkshire, UK. And today I'm going to be helping you with a couple of ideas to mark accents. Now, accents in music are really exciting. In belly dancing, they give you such a marvellous opportunity to give your dance a new dynamic, give it humour, really make the audience sit up and take notice of you, and also visually represent a very exciting point in the music. Now, two people who really inspire me, two dancers that I love to watch, are the black and white Egyptian movie stars Taheyya Karioka and Samia Gamal. And I'm just going to give you a couple of ideas, one inspired by each of them, to help you mark your accents in a really exciting way. So, for Taheyya Karioka, bear in mind she would have been wearing quite high heels. You'd come down into a little plie, and favouring your left hip, you would pop up with a twist, marking that accent. Now you can experiment with that. I've just come up here with one raised heel. I've got the other flat, but a soft knee, okay? So 1, 2, 3, hit. Do it with me one more time. 1, 2, 3, hit. And you can gently use your glute, pull in your stomach muscles and work those pelvic floors to make the move sharper as well. Or you can be gentle if you need to. Accents can be as strong or as gentle as you wish when it comes to dancing. Just go by what the music's telling you. Now, of course, she would have been dancing in her very high heels, so she would have come down into a plie and hit that accent with raised heels. Another thing you can do is to come up equally on both sides, but with the left hip twisted to the front, and that will give you another little angle on your accent. So it looks a bit more like a hip twist, but it's inspired from that initial left hip twist. Now for Samia Gamal, particularly those of you who are familiar with her performance in Zaina, and those of you who already know me very well, she would plie, and you know I love to do this, she'd do a little plie, and one of her accents would look like this. Okay? So we'll talk about heels in just a second, because yes, she would have worn her big high heels as well, and she certainly did in that movie. You plie your knees, and as you come up, use your pelvic floors, use your stomach muscles, and grip with your glute muscles to help you as well. You'll feel the strength going on in the front of your legs particularly. Okay, you come up to whichever height you prefer, and at the same time, you frame your hips however you wish. It's your stylisation. Samia Gamal would have done it's sort of like a gentle scooping or presentation shape to the audience for this particular move, and you also do a little hip shimmy accent. Okay, so that's the coming up. At the same time, you do a hip shimmy. It looks like this. It's a very quick 1, 2, 3. So have a little practice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't matter which hip you start on. We're just giving you ideas today. And at the same time, your pelvis has to come a little bit forward. So from the side, it might look like this. Okay, so it's a bit like Michael Jackson, isn't it? So you can really feel the thighs working. You can add in the glutes a little bit as well, just a little bit for extra power. Don't forget switching on your core. And let's add in that hip shimmy. Lovely. You can start the hip shimmy at the top when you're up. You can start doing it on the rise. It's entirely up to you. Remember, all these tutorials are to give you ideas and that you can go off and be creative in your own way. So here, let's practice together. 1, 2, 3. Let's practice another time together. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. And you just hold that as long as you wish. It might be that you stay up here and do some arms, a little bit of shoulders. It depends what the music's telling you to do. Quite often with thinking back to Taheyya Karioka, I've also seen her come up, but then float, because the music told her to, into a gorgeous, unctuous left hip movement. So there's lots of different ways you can use this and take this further in your dancing, no matter what style you're looking at. You can adapt it accordingly. If you like this, then come along and try my free belly dance workout at www.rachelbellydancer.com. That's RACHEL, rachelbellydancer.com. And also check out our workshop offerings at bellydanceheaven.com. So I look forward to meeting you. At rachelbellydancer.com you can get your free belly dance workout, and at bellydanceheaven.com you can see what workshops we've got going on in Berkshire. I very much look forward to dancing with you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.